Let's go in and check out what's going on inside here.
Andiamo.
What do we got here?
We just got a party for about 35, 36 people down there. We started a little Milanese and a fresh mozzarella. We make the mozzarella 7 days a week. Twice a day we make it, not once, twice a day we make the mozzarella. A little Milanese platter just to start, honey. This is a prelude to a kiss.
Chris, can we get one of these to go?
You got money, get anything you like, kid.
Jewelry Money Insurance, go here at the famous BUON SERA here in Red Bank. Keep going.